Ever wondered how people are streaming TV seamlessly on their laptops without a hitch or fuss? Welcome to the ultimate guide to using IPTV on your laptop, the future of convenient entertainment. But wait, before we dive in, quick shout out to 2tv.store, your ultimate IPTV provider. Check it out. So let's tackle the first step, choosing reliable software that ensures smooth and easy streaming. With your software ready, the next task is finding the best IPTV service for your needs. Once your IPTV provider is chosen, setup is a breeze. Configuration is key for optimal results. Here's how you can organize and customize your channels for a personalized viewing experience. Playback quality matters. Let's ensure you're getting the best streaming experience without interruptions. Post special IPTV features and explore a vast array of channels worldwide at your fingertips. Maximize your entertainment by seamlessly switching between on-demand and live channels effortlessly. Now you're all set to enjoy an upgraded, immersive TV experience right on your laptop. Happy streaming!